Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick inform video. So today we're doing kind of like quick video, just letting you inform that there's a big price drop on the LG Stylo 4 Plus. So not the Stylo 4 guys, but the Stylo 4 Plus. Thanks to Halloween basically promotion that Boost Mobile has going on and official price drop on the Stylo 4 Plus. So right now you can get an extra 20% off all new Androids using the promo code TREAT2018. So remember, at checkout use promo code TREAT2018. And now let's get into how you can save this money. So you go to phones, and then as you can see, they do have the LG Stylo 4 Plus down here. Here it is. So it is back in stock as well, guys. So here it is. It's $50 currently off right now. Remember this, when this phone came out, it was $280. That's the price I picked it up when I did the unboxing on this phone. It's now down to $230 or $229. Has 4 out of 5 stars with 13 ratings on it. Sorry it's raining, I'm inside the car. I have a lot of stuff to do right now, guys, so I just try and do this quick video for you guys. So as you can see, $230 plus you get an extra 20% off that price, which brings it down to $184 before taxes. That's crazy good savings right there, guys. Almost $100 off right now. So remember, at $280 down to $184, it's almost $100, you know, savings. So not bad at all. That's probably what I should title the video, you know. So as you can see, this phone is very good. I do have unboxing of this phone. If you want to check it out, I will have it in the description below so you can see it. It's very beautiful. I actually have played with it, and it's the better version of the Stylo 4 since the Stylo 4 Plus. I'm just saying why. Well, remember, this has 6.2 inch screen, 16 megapixel camera, 21 hours talk time, 32 gigs of internal storage. But where it really shines is that processor and amount of RAM. So the first Stylo only has 2 gigs of RAM. I think it's a 1.5 or 1.2 quad core maybe, but this one is actually rocking better. And this model particularly is an IP68 dust and water resistant. And here is where the specs get nice. Where is it? It's 3 gigs of RAM. Here it is, 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of ROM. Like I said, you can put up to a 2 terabyte SD card, and the processor is MediaTek MT6750S. Or 6750S, and it's a 1.5 gigahertz octa-core processor compared to the regular Stylo. 3 gigs of RAM makes a load of difference compared to 2, trust me guys. So definitely this is a better model to get. At almost $280, it wasn't, you know, affordable, but now with almost $100 off of it right now currently, it's definitely a go. What do you think, guys? So, and there's no port-in or anything requirements. You can just get this if you're a current customer, new customer, whatever. You can get this promotion from boostmobile.com. So hurry up before it's gone, guys, and we'll move on to the next phone that I know you guys are waiting for too. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragon Warfare signing off. Time to go play some. I'm ready for it, so thank you, guys.